Start 1,000th and finish first. Is it possible? The Mountain of Hell, the biggest mountain bike race.
I think this happened, I believe, in France.
Yeah, it says France right there.
Yeah, in 2019. And this racer, he has a POV shot. I think he's wearing a GoPro. And you see him racing down this giant alpine mountain.
He's flying. He's flying.
See,
yeah. Crash.
Yeah.
For sure, there's crashing going on.
Yeah.
This is at the start.
He's booking it. Look at it.
Icy mountain roads.
It's cool. I mean,
there's some crashes.
It's definitely going to be fun. If you crash, at least you are not like on pavement or rock.
Snow, so
it's snow. Snow's a bit better.
But it's icy.
Ooh, another crash.
It's very icy.
Oh my God, he almost ran that guy over.
Yeah, it's a mess, isn't it? It's a huge mess.
It's always a mess at the beginning.
Right.
Because there's guaranteed a crash.
Oh, look at this guy just sliding, just missing.
You gotta move.
Oh, baby. Yeah, it's...
but it does kind of space out over this length of the race.
Well, that one guy was just sitting on the sidelines, just done. That person's getting medical attention.
Wow.
Oh.
On snow. Oh, now he's just running. He's off the bike. He's just running.
Because it's probably a safer move at this point in the course.
Well, also, yeah, it seems like the snow's deeper in that area.
So how spread out does it get if you just fast forward? Look how rough that terrain is.
So he wipes out as well.
He wipes out. Of course he does. So this is like a 45-minute ride.
Yeah. And then, it kind of spreads out.
Spreads out, doesn't it?
So no more snow now. Now it's like just dirt road. Now we're in the jungle.
Yeah.
He said
it's an amazing footage.
He said he got a flat tire. Well, because it's altitude. You know, you start high, you go low.
There you
go. No, I'm just saying.
It's an incredible
climate change. You could. So it's warmer down there.
The channel's called Owl Laps.
Owl Laps.
And this has 46 million views.
Easy, Will.
Yeah, that's very impressive.
46 millies. I think it's one of those cases where it deserves 46 mil.
Mm-hmm. And he finishes first.
Who's that guy that was ahead of him? Who's that guy there? He got past him still?
Yeah, well, this race is around 40
There's
minutes.
a jump.
Look at that, over a car.
Let's go.
Yeah, this is nonstop. It's
quite
an adrenaline rush.
That's fun. Where did we say it was? Is it in the Alps? Where are we? Switzerland? What are we doing?
I think this is France.
We're in France. We already said that. We already talked about it.
Mountain of Hell. Go check it out.
Those places are pretty close.